I do not believe that energy drinks are good for you. Though the short-term energy may seem convenient, people do not realize that by drinking them, they are compromising their health. Energy drinks claim to have ingredients that are beneficial, but in fact, the ingredients that are bad for your body outnumber those good ones significantly. Energy drinks are aimed for people of all ages, but especially for teens, who find themselves constantly in need of more energy. These drinks are also imposters for sports drinks and alcohol mixers. When these drinks are abused and used in these ways, the results can be life-threatening. I'd rather have health over a quick burst of energy, followed by a crash and numerous other side effects. How do you get energy? Mine comes from a good night's sleep and eating healthy.
I believe that there are healthy effects that come out of drinking energy drinks. Maybe not drinking a few of them daily, but one every other day is not bad for you. As Olivia mentioned, short-term energy is convenient. Sometimes you need a quick burst of energy to get through writing a paper or to keep you up when you're hanging out with your friends. But just drinking them for pleasure is not bad for you, as bad for you as you may think. People see the ingredients in these drinks and only see the bad because that is what everyone else sees. What they don't see is the benefits of these ingredients. They aren't as terrible as one may think. So yes, when I need a quick burst of energy, I get a Red Bull or a Rockstar. I'm not saying people should stop sleeping and just drink energy drinks. They aren't meant to be long term. So no, don't go out and drink 15 Red Bulls. That isn't going to be good for you. But having one every day or once in a while isn't going to have much of a negative effect.
Did you know that energy drinks and the ingredients in them have been banned in several countries? Red Bull was pulled instantaneously off the shelves in other countries because traces of cocaine were thought to be present in the drink. Though there is no legitimate confirmation, a scare like this does not make me feel confident in the producers and suppliers of the drinks. On top of this, France banned Red Bull after several deaths from drinking it for energy during physical activities.
I'm sure there's more to the story than an anyday person drinking a Red Bull and then dying. They could have had heart conditions or something else, and yes, that makes sense in that situation. But that could happen with plenty of other foods and drinks. Just because someone had a heart attack after eating steak doesn't mean that the country where it was served is going to ban beef. It all depends on the health conditions of the consumer. If you have diabetes or any other medical condition that could be affected by the ingredients, then don't drink energy drinks.
That is completely irrelevant.
I'm just saying that many different kinds of foods and drinks could cause something to go wrong and cause fatality, but they aren't going to ban the drink or food. It could happen with anything really, so you can't just blame energy drinks and say they're terrible just because someone probably very out of shape with heart conditions or something died.
People use energy drinks for alcoholic mixers and do not realize the serious consequences of doing so. When an energy drink is combined with alcohol, there are two different effects going on in the body, contradicting one another. The energy drink works as a stimulant while the alcohol is a depressant. Even though you may feel more energetic and alert while drinking, the alcohol is still having the same effect on your body. Drowsiness while drinking malt beverages is a sign that your body is reaching its consumption limit. When you mix the drinks, you may feel less impaired than you actually are.
Well, simple solution. Just don't be dumb and mix alcohol and energy drinks together. If people aren't going to listen, then it is their own fault. They know the consequences. The energy drink companies can't be held responsible for decisions that these people make.
There are many healthy alternatives to obtain energy. Though it's a myth that apples contain caffeine, they do have natural sugars, which provide a gradual energy boost. The sugars work in a similar way to caffeine, minus the jitters and the crash. Another tasty drink that provides great energy is coconut water. It's delicious and also provides fast hydration. I believe that energy drinks are an insufficient supplier of energy. There are plenty of ways to get longer lasting energy in a healthier way. I cannot stress these ideas enough. Thank you.
When it comes down to it, I don't believe that energy drinks are all that bad. I do believe that you should take caution when you're drinking them if you have any heart defects or diabetes. But I don't advise over-drinking them. In moderation, I believe that energy drinks are completely fine. Thank you.